Welcome back to Home Culture. Today we're diving into the world of 3D printing. If you've been on the fence about getting a 3D printer and you're wondering what you could actually print and then use at home, this is the video you've been looking for. We'll explore a range of practical and fun items that you can easily create to enhance your everyday life. Let's dive in. I'm going to break up the prints into 3 categories: organization, decor, and hobbies. Hobbies like bird watching. This is a one-piece mod bird feeder. There are so many styles of bird feeders out there to print. The 3D printing community is amazingly collaborative, and the amount of free print files available to download online blew my mind. All the prints in this video are free downloads except for this other bird feeder. This is several pieces and takes several days to print. But it's an impressive bird feeder and birds love it, even more than the green one. If bird watching isn't your thing, maybe puzzling is. How convenient to prop up your box while puzzling. Oh, we'll have all the print files listed below in case you want to try printing some of these, because they're awesome. If you like to DIY your decor, there are so many cool ideas, and I've picked 2. These little Jizo garden statues are too cute and add so much personality to my indoor plants. You can do gnomes, cats, or whatever your obsession is. One of my obsessions are happy pots. You can print these with drainage holes and plant live plants, or go the faux route. Or you can just use them to hold your snacks. Organization is where I think 3D printing takes the gold. This is a tiny custom-sized drawer, and no one makes dividers for it, but we did. You can make things customized to your exact color, size, shape, and need. How about organizing your baseball hats into a tidy and really easy to grab column like this? And you just keep printing a new hook each time you get a new hat. At times you need something super specific to yourself, and because it's so specific, companies don't mass produce it. But you're most likely not the only human on the planet who needs this thing, like my storage holder for this nasal rinse. So compact and tidy, and not sold in stores, but I have one. Plastic garbage bags have a talent of not staying securely on the garbage. So look at these stylish and practical pegs. Pretty and practical. This soap dish caught my eye because it drains instead of pooling. I use it for drying out my craft and paint supplies. I love cute stationery, probably since birth, and I grew up when we used pen and paper, and papyrus, scrolls, carrier pigeon, dinosaur transport, back then. So this sticky note holder with templates is just perfection to me. Thanks for joining us on this 3D printing journey. We hope you found some inspiration for practical and fun items to print for your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your own 3D printing projects in the comments below. Would love to see what you're creating. Until next time, happy printing, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye!